Today's topic is potentiometer. So the first question, what is the principle of potentiometer? Before knowing that, we have to know what is potentiometer. It is a device which is used to measure an unknown EMF or the potential difference of the cell. Before knowing the principle also, the three conditions must satisfied. The first condition is the constant current flows through the wire. Second one, a uniform cross-section area of the wire. And the third one, the uniform composition of wire. That means rho. Now if three conditions are satisfied, the potential drop across the wire of any length is directly proportional to that length. From formula, V equals to IR. And we know that R equals to rho L by A. Now if we put the value of R in this equation, we get rho L I upon A. As we know that we have three constant values. First, current is also constant. Second, area is also constant. And third is rho is also constant. So now the value of I rho by A is also constant, which is equals to K. Now if we put this value in this equation, so we get V equals to KL, and hence we get V is directly proportional to the length of the wire or conductor. My next question, what is the EMF of the standard cell used in this experiment? And it is 1.08 volt. My next question, what is the function of voltmeter? Here the two cases are applied. First, if the circuit is closed, it gives the value of voltage and potential difference across the circuit. And second thing, if the circuit is open, so it gives the value of EMF of the cell. Now the thing that we have to remember is that it always connected parallel with the circuit. My fourth question, what does the null deflection in a galvanometer indicates? The null deflection in a galvanometer indicates that no current flows or the circuit does not drawing any current from the cell. Hence, there is no potential drop due to the internal resistance. So, here we get the case second, where no current flows, hence circuit becomes open. So, when the circuit becomes open, then we get the value of EMF of the cell.
If you like anything good in my videos, please like and subscribe. I need your support.